Hello, this is Mr. Tyler. Hopefully you're getting used to these video tutorials. This is a tutorial for Excel Chapter 4, Project 1. So go ahead and get there, and when you do, I want you to go ahead and click on it. And when you do click on it, you got to make sure that, let's see if I can get it a little bit more. There we go. You got to make sure you go up here to File, okay, and click down on File, and you want to make a copy. When you come down here, it says copy. You're going to go ahead and put your initials there, and go ahead and put your initials there, and then it will actually create a copy for you. And so here's my copy right here. It says RET copy. I'm going to get off the original one, and then I'm going to read what it says. So instructions, please read and follow the instruction below. Make a copy. So that's what we did the very first thing. And then right here, number 1 says type in N5. There's N and then 5. Okay. So N5 right here, I want to type equals sum B5 through M5, and you hit enter. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and type in there equals. Okay. And by the way, if it pops up for you, I'll let you use it, and it does. And basically, it's intuitive. So it's saying, hey, do you want from January to December? Are you really wanting to do that? Yes, I do. So then I hit enter. And then the great thing about this, because it's Excel, I can grab the bottom right-hand corner. I can drag it down here, and then it does the summation of all of them across for you. Then over here, I'm wanting total income. And it says, number 2 says this, it says type in B11 equals sum, so B5 to B10, and then hit enter. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're typing equals anytime you start a formula. Now, it's intuitive again, but it's not really giving me what I need, and here's the reason why, because you'll notice there's a blank here. So it's saying, are you wanting this? Now, I could do that, but the problem is that's not what my formula is telling me to do. So I'm going to type this out. Equals, okay, sum, S-U-M, and then I'm going to, beginning parentheses, B what? I need B5. So B5, and then through, which is colon, B11, or B10, I'm sorry, B10. And so, again, it's intuitive. It's saying, hey, are you sure this is what you're wanting? The answer is yes, so I hit enter. Another great thing about this, I grab a hold of that, and I drag it across, come all the way across, and it will go ahead and sum for me. It's very easy to do the formulas and stuff like that when you know the formulas. Sometimes it's harder when you're asked to do it. So that's why sometimes on a test, I'll be asking you, hey, do you know how to do this formula? Now, look here. Number 3 here says type in N14. So I got N14. There's row 14. So N14, there's N. Here's 14, row 14. I need to type equal sum. So equal. And this one's intuitive. And it's saying B14 to M14, and I want to go ahead and pick it because that's what I want. I hit enter, then I grab the bottom right hand corner, I pull it down, and it goes ahead and it sums all of that. Now if you'll notice, this is an income. This is for real photography, their yearly budget. This is their income, how much, where they're taking in, and these are the expenses of how much is going out, okay, how much they have to pay someone. Then when I come here to the total expenses, I have in here, type in B20. So here's B, and here's 20. I type in there equal sum. I'll put that right there. Equal, S-U-M, beginning in parentheses. And then I want B14. So B14 through, okay, so that's your colon. B19, and then in the parentheses, Again, it's intuitive. It tells me, hey, is this what you're wanting? Yes, it is, because I want to know what my total expenses are. So I grab a hold of that. I have to click on it first, then I by the bottom right-hand corner, and then I drag that across all the way to N20, okay? Now, profit is different, and oh, that's not what I wanted. Down here, I didn't want to do that, so let me get off of that, and let me go like this, and let me hit delete, okay? And the reason why is because profit's different, okay? I want to know how much I have left after my expenses, okay? This is how much I took in, and this is how much I owed. So what is my profit, okay? The difference is I'm going to be taking away from my income the expenses, okay? So basically, I want to put equals, because it's right over here. Sorry, guys. So I put equals, and I put B11, okay? Here you go. B11 minus, okay? Now here's the kicker, B20. And I'll put B20. Now, here's what I'm saying. I know how much income I have, but how much do I have left over? So I have to subtract it from my expenses. So when I hit enter, for the month of January, I had $1,500 left over. So I can grab a hold of that, I can drag that clear across, and voila. And there it is. And so now you have it. And that is Project 1 of Chapter 4, Excel. Thank you so much.